This is an optional read aloud of your mastery check. You still take it in Edulastic, so make sure you go to Edulastic and then you can just play this to read it aloud to you. Question 1. What is the central idea of the article, "E-waste provides income to the poor, but is also an environmental hazard"? Remember, your central idea must be specific and make sense. Question 2. Version A. E-waste is relatively new but controversial global challenge. To some, e-waste is an environmental evil to be battled, but to others it is an opportunity to make money. Version B. E-waste is a relatively new but controversial global challenge. To some, e-waste is bad, to others, e-waste is good. Look at the two sentence pairs above. How do the changes affect the overall meaning of the text above? Think about that Picasso painting. A. Version A is longer than version B. B. Version A talks about e-waste, but version B just talks about good and bad things in the world. C. Version A tells us specifically that people have different opinions about e-waste and whether it is positive or negative. Version B just tells us e-waste can be good or bad. D. Version A gives us unnecessary information about e-waste. Version B is more specific and tells us that e-waste is a global challenge. Question 3. Version A. For example, many electronics have copper wires covered in plastic. Some people will burn the plastic in order to recover the copper. Version B. For example, many electronics have copper wires covered in plastic. Some people will burn the plastic in order to recover the copper. When this is done in open areas, it can be harmful to the environment. Look at the two sentence pairs above. How do the changes affect the overall meaning of the text above? Think about the Picasso painting. Version B, this is A. Version B gives unnecessary information about burning materials. B. Version B is longer than version A. C. Version A does not tell the reader about the harm caused by burning plastic. D. Version A does not give specific details about why the people are burning the plastic. All right, that's it. Good luck. Remember, you're in Edulastic taking this exam.